Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to create a workflow with internal dependencies. For this tutorial, we will create a workflow with two tasks and bind them with a dependency so that the successor task only runs when the predecessor is complete. First, click the Design tab, select a workspace, and then drag and drop a workflow to the canvas. Define a name and select a workstation for the workflow. Then drag and drop a task template into the workflow. In this video, we are adding a wait task as an example. This task will simply wait for a defined amount of time before completing successfully. The next step is to configure the task. Define a name, select a workstation, select the task type. And set the amount of time the task should wait before completing successfully. Now let us set an output condition. For this example, we will set the output condition using return codes to determine the start of a successor task. Click the plus icon and then add a condition name. For the condition value, add RC equals 0, which means any connected successor task will only start if this task is completed successfully. Now save the task configuration. With the configuration for the first task is now complete, create a second task to serve as the successor. Now select the first task and click on any of the connection ports and drag it to the next task to create a dependency. The internal predecessor pane appears on the right side of the interface. Here, you can see all dependency-related information, such as the predecessor, successor, output, and status conditions. Select an output condition from the list. This ensures that the successor is only initiated when the predecessor ends in this specific condition. The dependency between the tasks is now set, and you can deploy the task. Run the workflow. Now navigate to the Orchestration Monitor page and select the workflow to see the statuses of tasks. Click the Tasks button to see the status of each task. As you can see, the predecessor task is running and is currently in exec status. The successor task, however, is in hold status and has not yet started. This is because the dependency that was set is not yet resolved. You can check the Not Satisfied Dependencies column, which shows the number of unsatisfied dependencies assigned to this task. Click the number in that column to view the details of the dependency. Here, you can see the dependency status is still undecided because the status condition we selected, which relies on the predecessor task, has not moved to a success status yet. After the predecessor task moves to success status, you can see that the successor task automatically starts running and its status changes to success. Select the predecessor task and click the Task Log button. Here, you can see if the condition was satisfied under the Successful Output Conditions section. And that's it! You now know how to successfully create tasks with internal dependencies. Thanks for watching. For any queries, contact us.